The Informatic Management Department. The Department of Informatic Management is a department that studies information technology theory and the use of information technology for the management needs of the company, so that the goals set by the company can be achieved efficiently and efficiently. In this department, this is direction to be able to develop, utilize, and manage software and hardware in the business world and individuals. This department does studies about companies' data management methods to the use of information technology, study information system with competence in managerial design and database create, running business process and procedure in software prop. The first compulsory material and of all informatic management subject matter in programming material. Programming material to be taught in the informatic management department is more specific because students will be taught the most basic to the most important programming material such as programming language, programming step, algorithm, sequencing, repetition, and branching. Informatic management graduates are equipped with the skill and abilities to analyze, translate every problem to support efficiency in work both in terms of system analysis or programming. Through knowledge of management skill and the ability to develop informatic system, informatic management graduates can answer challenges in the current era of information technology. In the informatic management department, someone who chooses in this major can be someone who is good at networking, web programming, web development, IT engineering teams, game technology, and so on. One of the results that can be obtained from this department is to build software. For example, antivirus software. Antivirus is a type of software used to secure, detect, and remove computer virus from the computer system. Antivirus is also called virus protection software. This program can determine whether a computer system has been infected with a virus or not. Now and in the future, every company that invests in the field of informatics, information that is processed properly will ensure that information is always available accurately, completely, and safely. The informatic management study program provides understanding, skill, and practical competence in an effort to empower the data management process into information to improve company performance and competence. So by taking or choose an informatic management major, we can become good people in the field of networking, programming, IT engineering team, and so on related to the field of computerization.